Hey friend, so maybe you're a little confused on your pricing, and I'm gonna talk about how it's gonna be easier for you. This is just a really simple rule of thumb. It's a short video, so invest in yourself and listen to the end, okay? Imagine you have 10 meetings or 10 inquiries. It could be emails, it could be phone calls, it could be Zoom calls, it could be physical meetings. You have 10. First of all, congratulations, because 10 people want to take time out of their busy lives to meet with you to potentially hire you to photograph for them. So that's a big deal. Out of the 10, how many of them should you book? Well, here's a simple rule. If you book 5 out of the 10, so it's 50%, that is really a good price for you to be. Okay? That means you're pricing yourself high enough that 5 people are saying, yeah, it's a little too expensive for us, but low enough that other 5 people are saying, yep, this is going to be the one that's going to fit in our budget, and we love working with them. Now, how do you know if you are overpriced? How do you know if you are underpriced? So if you're overpriced, what happens is of that 10 inquiries, you might be booking 2 or 3 of them. 2 to 3. That just means the market doesn't agree with the price that you are asking for and the product that you are offering. It's simple. It's not emotional. It is just simple. They don't agree with how much you're giving for the amount that you're asking back. That means what we have to do is work on either your offer or we have to work on your pricing, okay? The first thing you want to do is work on your offer, and don't touch the pricing yet. Don't lower the price. Don't make that your first offer. Hey, let me just cut out of my profits. Change your offer. Maybe you wanted to offer 3 hours and 4 photos. So make it 4 hours and 5 photos and see how that does. And go through another 10 inquiries and see if that brings up your bookings. It's the small changes, and it's about give and take, and your business is always going to go through this. Now, don't think that once you figure out your pricing, it's done and you're good and it's smooth sailing. No, it's not. You're going to go to higher and different levels. That just means you're going to be swimming with more incredible businesses. It means you're going to have to get better at your pricing. But this is a really good starting point for you. Now, how do you know if you are underpriced? Well, underpriced could mean that you're booking a whole bunch of them. Let's say you're booking 7 or 8 of them or 9. You could be happy about that. That breaks my heart for you, because that just means you're offering such great content, such great product for a small amount. So everyone's grabbing on. They understand your value. They see your value. That's why they're hiring you. They just realize that you don't see your value yet. And I want you to catch up to that. So if you're booking 7, 8, 9 of the 10, pause. You're offering too good of a product for too low of a price. So what I want you to do is, unlike the other side where you were not booking enough and I said don't touch your pricing, touch your product, in this case, I want you to touch your pricing first. That's the difference. You're going to increase your price about 20%. See how that goes. Leave it there for a while without increasing your offer. See how it goes. Go through another 10. See how many of them book. If you notice that the bookings have gone down, maybe now you're booking 6 or 7 of them. All right, you might be going down the right path. Maybe we can increase a little bit more in price and see what that does. It's all about trial and error. Maybe you can increase it a bigger amount and then offer a little bit more product for them too. Find your perfect spot. Now, to me, the most perfect pricing is Apple. It's the iPhone. That I sit and I complain. I'm like, damn it, Apple. It's so expensive. But I go get a new one almost every single time. I complain, but I still buy. So you know that if your clients are saying, oh my gosh, this is quite the investment, but there's no other photographer like you, you found the sweet spot. Okay, so these are great for a starting business. Doesn't matter what kind of photography you do. It's a great starting point for a business that's trying to get a hold of their pricing. Then from there, we'll start adjusting more and more. But if you're not there yet, follow this video, follow this advice, and it's a great starting point. If you want more, walidazami.com/yes is my newsletter. So on my newsletter, what happens is if we put up a new video here that's going to be very informative, I'll let you know. If there's a podcast that I think is going to help you, I'll let you know. If there's an infographic that I want to give you for free, or a cheat sheet or a worksheet to help you with your business, it's going to go right there, and it's only going to go to those people. If I release a course and I want to offer a special bonus for the people within my newsletter in a very limited time, it's only going to go to these people. So if you sign up here, that's for free. If you're a member of my newsletter, don't worry about it. You've already been signed up. I will say this though, if you're using Gmail, as soon as you sign up, go into your promo or your spam or your marketing, click and drag that into your inbox, because Gmail just puts everything there and you won't get the content. Okay? I hope that you learned a little bit. If you have any pricing questions, put them in the comments. I'm happy to help you guys out. And my name is Walid. I hope that helps you out. If you got questions, for real, I care, put them in the comments.